Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I started tearing into the car, getting ready to pull the engine out. I was trying to get the head off last night before today, but the lighting situation out here is it's just that bug. So ran out of light, but I want to try and have this head out before 11 a.m. It's just after 9 right now. I'm giving myself 2 hours because it's my first time working with a B series. I've done D series stuff before and I'm more familiar with that. But a lot of the stuff like the coolant lines and all those things, and I don't know what behind the head is like, all of that. So being a little lenient with myself. So I'm just gonna get straight to work and try and rip this thing out. So let's go. Oh, also, yeah, this is all the coolant liquid. Like all this brown that you're seeing, that's from the coolant. So, definitely gonna need to flush this. So, yeah, all right. Alright, so I wanted to pull the exhaust manifold off. Wouldn't come off, and then I realized, alright, there must be something holding it. So there is a bracket right there that holds the manifold onto the block. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is pull this bolt and then use that to kind of lean the manifold back a bit. So yeah. Alright, manifold is off. The bolt at the side wouldn't loosened, so I pulled the one that was on the block instead. So if you can see that missing, that hole right there, that's where the bolt was in. So I just pulled that one instead, because I couldn't loosen up the one that was on the actual manifold itself. So all right, that's off. So I need to start working out the side. I was going to take the valve cover off and then see if I can get this off and take out the head bolts, and should be free. Alright, made a mistake, I made a mistake because So I'd set TDC on this. Then I forgot to check down there, and you guys can't quite see it, but the crank is off by a smidge. I don't know if I can zoom in properly and show it, but just barely off. So I don't know what that's gonna mean, but ew. Anyway. Alright, took me longer than predicted, but head is out. Yeah. So right off the bat, I can tell that something isn't quite right here. So yeah, that needs to be sorted out. But for the most part, apart from that, looks good. Anyway, the main focus for today is gonna be the head. So best thing I'm gonna do for right now is just to flip all these arms up and try and get all these keepers out, and then once I have something to stick the valves in, I'll take those out after. But yeah. Alright, all the keepers and retainers are out, and look what I found, man. Someone did some work here already, and tried to stiffen up the intake side here. So I'll probably do the same on the exhaust side if I get the chance, but yeah. So I think I'll be okay to just take them all out and chuck them in my little bin here, because all these exhaust ones have this red mark on them, so I'm not too worried about mixing them up, so I should be alright. Honestly, man, these are terrible. Like, there's no going around it, man. Like, look at this. It's like, where's the focus? Like, this is so poor. I'm ashamed to know that I was driving a car with valves that look like that, man. Like, I'm not even gonna pretend, like it's bad. Um, see if I can take a look underneath. Take a look under the hood and see what that looks like. Woo! Yeah, this is. Hmm. Yeah, this is bad, man. Yes, so now that I have her flipped over. Whew. I mean, guys, I always say I don't know what I'm doing, but I know enough to know that this is not good. I know enough to know that this is not good. Yeah. So there's a little bit of flow by there, and you have some spots, but it's gonna be a fresh head gasket going on anyway, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. Yeah, you can see some spots there, but holy carbon buildup, man. Yeah. Look at these valve seats, man. Look at them. Look at them. Just look at that. Oh, oh gosh, man. So at this point, you're like, well, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to have some lunch, cause yeah. With the head looking like this, I think the best thing for me to do is take it to be cleaned and checked. Because I'm not gonna put the seals back in with the head looking like this. Like, this needs to be washed and everything, and I need to change the VTEC the solenoid gasket as well. So I think I'm probably gonna call it there for right now. I'm just gonna put this old gasket back on just to rest the head back in the car just for right now. Until I figure out what is the best thing for me to do. Yeah, that's just where it's at for me right now, because it's not like I know, you get me. I'm still learning, trying to figure this out. So gonna talk to some friends, show them these pictures, and ask them what's the best step for me to take going forward. Those valves for sure have to be cleaned, or maybe it's probably worth it while I'm doing all this to just upgrade to some Supertech springs and retainers while I'm at it. I don't know, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, the most I can say is thanks, guys. I mean, no big set of accomplishments or headway in this video, but slowly working towards it. So I just want to say thanks again for watching, and if you want to see what happens, then if you're not subscribed already, then please subscribe. So yeah, until next time.